Hi guys! In this video, you will learn how to embed or add links, create a new template, and duplicate a template. Now, I'm going to be showing you the quick way to add links or embed links. Just like this. First, you go to Google and copy the link and paste the link here. First, type any letter so that this screen will pop up, and click it and choose paste. So as you can see, dismiss, create bookmark, create embed. First, I will click create embed so that you can see what it looks like. It will look like this, where you can scroll only on the designated box. Now I will paste it again and choose the create bookmark. And it will look like this, where you can click it and view the full page. Here is a page showing the class notes. And let's proceed on how to create a new template by first clicking on the new icon at the center right of your screen and title your new template. And at the bottom, there's a plus sign that says New Template, where you can create another template that pops up on your page. And this is the new template that I created. And how do you duplicate a template? Just click the template you want to duplicate and click the three-dot menu at the top right corner of your screen and then choose duplicate. And as you have seen, there's a new template, and this is a replicated template, wherein this copy of new template you can edit it. And thank you, that's all.